I need to reschedule today. Shori, what time works?
Are you drowning in the noise of endless missed calls? How much business are you losing right now to a frustrating busy signal? Is your current reception staff completely overworked and overwhelmed? Stop the chaos. It's time for a better way. Introducing your new AI Smart Receptionist. It provides instant professional call answering, available 24/7.
I'm ready to buy today.
Okay, great. Let me get your details.
Perfect, thank you. Yes, the 15th at 10 a.m. works. Let me just confirm. Okay, all set. It's booked. Great, talk soon.
Beep.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Necesito ayuda con mi cuenta.
Hola, o me voy a tener que ir a la casa.
Hello? Is anyone there?
We're sorry, no one is available to take your call. Please leave a message after the tone.
My sink is leaking really fast. I don't know what to do.
It handles intelligent call routing and manages appointment scheduling automatically. And it provides seamless integration directly into your existing CRM. Relax, you will never miss a valuable lead again. Boost your team's productivity and watch customer satisfaction soar. Upgrade your front desk. Get started today.